This is my 7-month hair. What the heck is this? A leaf? Yeah, yo, like what the heck? Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. To all my bomb subscribers, woo, woo, woo. Sorry, I hope I wasn't yelling in nobody's ear. But I am back with a 7-month lock update video, including styling and a lock count. A lot of people were asking me how many locks I got, and I was like, I don't even know, y'all. I remember I wanted to have like over 100 locks, and I started twisting, and I was like, this ain't it. And I made sure I got that number down. But this is what my hair is looking like. I'm so happy with the progress. I feel like I don't think I'm locked until I turn around and see the back of my head, and I'm like, hey, we out here. But I went ahead and washed my hair with Selsun Blue as usual. And then after that, I did a hot oil treatment for the first time. I literally just have my mix of oils that I talked about in one of my older videos. I'll link my lock playlist in the cards and in the description below. This literally is just a mix of whatever oils I had on deck. But this is on clean hair, and I made sure I put a decent amount of oil on there, and I squeezed it into the strands, and I also worked it into my scalp. I do get itchy scalp when it's like too oily, so I was making sure that I didn't put an insane amount of oil on my scalp. On my edges I don't care, but on my nape here, baby, that's what be itching. So I wanted to make sure that I did enough oil that it'll be moisturized, but not so much that I'm like, I need to wash my hair tomorrow. This is what my hair is looking like after I put essentially all the oil that I had in that container in it. I was feeling like a large fry or something. I put on 2 shower caps and my hood like that was gonna do something, because I don't have a dome dryer, but it's whatever. Body heat. After about 25 to 30 minutes, I went ahead and took the shower caps off, and this is what my hair was looking like. And I made sure I rinsed that oil out thoroughly in the shower. Okay, I'm back with rinsed off hair. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna do some, and then I'm gonna fast forward y'all while I do the rest and watch some Netflix. So this is what it's looking like, all rinsed off. I'm gonna try something new now just to see if my hair likes it, how it works, whatever. But I have some of the Carol's Daughter black vanilla spray, and I'm gonna just, at the very least, if my hair don't like it, I could just use it as like hair perfume. Yay. So in the last video, some people were saying they do use a leave-in, other people were like they don't, and I was like, why not? I'm gonna try it. I specifically chose a liquid leave-in. I'm like, I'm not doing cream and I'm not doing anything that's dumb thick. I ain't going for that. So I'm gonna try to do a like braid out. I had to take pictures on Sunday, so I might undo one braid and see how curly it is. But otherwise, they're not coming out until next Friday when I graduate. I have some rubber bands right here. And I've seen people do this online, like where they put the rubber bands in a little container and then put oil in them. And apparently it's supposed to help like not rip out your hair. So I'm gonna do that first. People are asking for a lock count / how many locks I have. So I'm just gonna count the amount of braids that I have and do 3 times however many braids I have. And that's gonna be the lock count. I'm taking this macadamia oil treatment and that up in there. I might use this for my retwist today because I just used all my usual oil. I used all of my usual oil during that hot oil treatment. And this West Indie Ray uses this like during her hair moisturizer routine. And I was like, I'm gonna try that. And I saw it at TJ Maxx and I was like, why not? So I'm gonna start with the back as usual. Okay, but how many locks do I got back here? Y'all already know the vibe. I already said I don't be knowing my parts. I just be knowing if it feel good. During the last video, someone was like, and why is her hair still so frizzy? And I was like, I think that's just my hair, y'all. It's not from anything that she did, or rather didn't do. I don't know, my locks are still babies. Ooh, she lazy. Yeah, my hair, I feel like it just be frizzy. Like, I don't know, what was y'all's frizz like at 7 months? As I've said with other lock stuff, like, I don't be having no point of reference to go by, you feel me? So it just be like, is this not normal? Okay, now I'm looking like Susie Carmichael. I'm probably gonna like put this in 2 buns, like 2 little buns to the side when I go out and about. But now I can count the braids. Let's split it in half. And 2 of those braids have 4, so I have 64 locks in total. I know some people were asking, I look so childish right now. Do I want to finish it off with some water? I could do that. And yeah, so I don't know when I'm gonna take these out, how long I'm gonna keep them in, if I'm gonna take them out Monday, or I mean not Monday, if I'm gonna take them out Sunday or leave them in the whole time. But this is what it's looking like. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out as usual, but that's what it's all about. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I actually do take them out, so y'all can see the final result and see what it's looking like and see if it actually worked. Good morning. I'm very tired. It's 6:30. It's Sunday. So I've had the braids in my hair for 2 days now. So this was one that came out already, and it came out again. And did a little something, I guess. Okay, I left my hair in 3 days, so the curls are very much giving, well, the parts that are curled are very much giving Cardi B if it's up and stuck. I might actually spray it with some water to like loosen it up a little bit, or leave it uncovered while I get in the shower. I don't know. I don't hate it, it's just day 1 hair. Like, you know, when I had loose natural hair, you feel me? I probably could have only left it in for 1 day also. I'm sure it would have been fine. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then come back to y'all with the final look, hopefully. Okay, I'm ready. What? Okay, I'm done getting ready for pictures. I laid my edges. I'm going with the side part today. This side a little cuter than the other side. For the most part, I like how it looks. Next time I'll probably do bigger braids. And I don't even know if I would let it sit for 3 days. I feel like 1 day is fine. I'll probably keep wearing this throughout the week and like re-wet it and braid it up again. Cause why not? thank you guys for watching this update. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.